Alright, as you can see, I'm in the middle of changing my clutch. So what's happening right now, the car is not sitting even. The front end is much higher than the rear because of the small wheel ramps. So what I want to do in this video is I want to make a wheel blocks out of wooden planks. I got some 2x4s. I got 6 of these. They're 2x4 by 96, 8 feet. And I got some wooden screws. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna go make a wooden blocks or wood wheel cribs, whatever you want to call them, to level the car up. Because the issue what I'm having right now is like when I'm trying to get the transmission position back in, it's not level, so it's not letting me kind of push the input shaft to the pilot bearing. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna get a measurements of the wheel blocks that we need, and we're gonna cut up some wood and we're gonna drill it all back together. Hopefully when it's all done, the front and the rear is gonna be equal height. I mean, I could have just gone with some jack stands, but I already have like 6 of them. I don't want any more, and plus wooden blocks feel more safer to me than just skinny wooden jack in the middle of the axle. Anyway, so let's get back to cutting and measuring. So let's measure the size we need, and we'll cut up some wood and drill it in together. Should be pretty simple and easy. All right, so back here where the wheel is, where these ramps are, these ramps kind of measure up 11.5 inches by 12 inches where the wheel kind of sits. But I know those are going to be wooden planks, so I'm just going to go 14 by 12. So it's going to be 12 wide and 14 long. So let's pre-cut our wood, and then we're just gonna drill it up and bolt it all together and see what we come up with and if it's worth doing this or not. Alright, here's everything pre-cut. This is gonna be my ideal ramp height, ramp width. It's approximately 12 inches by 14, and the height is gonna be around 12 because I'm gonna chop these here in the middle a little bit, make like a little bit of a skating ramp. So you're gonna use 8 over 14 inch long and 8 over 12 inch long, and I'm gonna have some extra ones, but the extra ones I'm gonna use to reinforce on the top, like right here and right here. So let's get all this drilled in and finish with the rest of it. here's my finished product. As you see in the time lapse, I was trying to cut a V shaped here, but didn't work out because it was just making so much mess, and you can be precise by just cutting along the grain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a plywood that is a 3/4 thick, and I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm just gonna have like a nice wheel stop right here. So next stop is I just have to finish the other one, and we're gonna test it out on the car. Alright, both of them are done, and I kind of did like a 45 angle on the corner just to make it a little bit smoother. So I ended up using 6 2x4s and about 160 nails. So overall, I like the way it looks. So now let's just see how it's gonna fit on that car. Alright, here is the final results. Looks really good, looks safe, looks nice because the 45 angle on the side right there. It's done. It looks pretty dope. Here's a better view on this side. Like I always say, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and check out my other videos.